Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Evelyn part 2. Go check out the last video if you have not. Anything good? Take a good look at seek the black book. Okay, Mrs. Evelyn or Mrs. Doll. That looks like a black book. That looks like a black book. Any black books? Look, that one's the old duckling out. I'm gonna try to click it. Okay guys, I think that's not gonna work. Let's try the painting. What did I just do? 9137. So guys, I think that was the thing in Evelyn's room. Why does the lobby lounge feel safe? Like safer than the upstairs. Like can I get these? What can I get these? I don't know how to say, but I get these nervous. I get nervous here. That's the best way to describe them. So I think this is what we should do. So it's gonna be that star thing first. That hashtag, no, not hashtag, star, let's just call it star. Flower, let's call it flower, star, cross, diamond. Okay, flower, star, cross, diamond. That scared me. I think we should remove the eyes. Yes. This all makes sense now. Queen Martha was the queen about 100 years ago, but got executed days after becoming queen. Okay, so if you do not know what executing means, it means killing. Apparently Martha was a witch, even though she was a part of the royal family. Okay, luckily we have Martha's tiara gem back now. Okay, without the gem on her tiara, her spirit was set free. The gem's literally still on a tiara. Look, I knew the doll had a connection with all of this. My dog's name is Tiara. Martha's spirit must have been living inside of the doll. The doll. But now she has taken over my daughter. Thank you for helping, detective. My pleasure. Hopefully the gem has stopped Martha from haunting the doll and our house. Now Evelyn can rest in peace. No. Okay. How strange. That gave me a heart attack. Okay, anyways guys, see you guys in the outro real quick. Okay guys, anyways, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Go check out my TikTok. I'm gonna put it here in a sec. I'm gonna put it here in a second. Okay, guys. Let me do this. Wait, no. Okay. My handwriting is really bad. Oh, this girl is in my TikTok. Or not my TikTok. Sorry. Okay, so it's Scala E Scala Equine. Okay, woo! I'm in a shopping cart with bacons. Yes! Yes, I'm in a shopping cart with bacons. Oh, one left. But it's okay. I'm just gonna still take screenies. No, I don't want in pool. I am not hot. I'm actually cold right now. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.